Hello and what's up YouTube? Today I am happy to share with you the new rope access kit that we got. This is actually the first time that I have a chance to use brand new equipment, so I am kind of excited in unboxing this. I guess these are the dynamic rope for the cow's tails. So we have to cut this to length and seal the ends ourselves. I will probably heat the ends of the rope up in a flame to seal them, but I am not doing it now. Our new kit comes with this very nice 45-liter bag. The first thing that came out of the bag is the Petzl Vertex Vent helmet. Looks like somebody from our procurement already opened this box and wrote the serial number of the helmet right there. Next is this ASAP 40 fall arrest device. It came with these rubber bits for the ends and all this documentation that may come handy later. Next is this foot loop. So the ace absorber and foot loop are simply packed in a plastic bag. Then we'll look at this Ascension jammer, which came in a box. So this will be the unboxing part of the video. Again, there are lots of documentation that nobody really reads, but may become handy sometimes. Then came this the sender ID. It has the basic instruction on how to use it printed on the box. Very convenient and informative graphics. Inside is the documentation for more detailed information. Next is the Astro Bod Fast Harness, which is amazingly came in its own bag. All the harnesses I ever used in the past does not have their own specific bags. Or maybe they do but kept somewhere else, and I never saw them in the job site. Then came this ASAP Lock mobile fall arrest device. So when new, it is not yet attached to the ASAP absorber fall arrest device. There are small bits and an Allen wrench tool, so there will be some assembly required. That's interesting. So I guess I have to look at the instructions to make sure I'll put it together properly. So I go ahead and look at the infographics, which I prefer over reading the text. Okay, so that looks easy and self-explanatory. There are these warnings that can get yourself killed, like not tightening the screws. I am looking at the ace absorber and thinking which end does the ace up lock goes. Looks like it can be attached at either ends, but I can be wrong. I guess I'll just follow these drawings, and so the ace up lock goes at this end. So I first install this rubber bit, then the ace up lock. Then there is the small spacer, then the screw, which already had a blue Loctite on the threads. I tighten it with the Allen wrench supplied. The other end will get the rubber protector piece and the carabiner, and that's it for the ASAP. Now I will try out this brand new Astro Bod harness. Right out of the bag for the first time, there are these tiny plastic pieces and another tool that I'm not yet sure what they are for. We'll find out later. So the wrench is for a Torx head screws, and the only screws I can find on the harness is for this ventral attachment point. So apparently, you can remove this for some reason. Now let's take a look at what those plastic pieces are. I found out that they are grips for the double back buckles. These teeth sink into the straps, preventing it from coming out of the buckles. So this little thing clips into the buckle like so, and that straps will never come loose unexpectedly again. Now I just want to quickly test all the gear. I will simply go up the rope with the jammer, foot loop, and crawl, and go down with the descender ID. I was requested to do this by our purchaser just to make sure we don't need to return defective items to the supplier. So that's it for this short video, guys. I hope you like it and find it helpful. Thank you very much for watching my video, and God bless you all.